3 months ago, I made $0 from AI. Last month, I made $1,247. This month, I'm on track for $1,300. And I'm going to show you the exact 5 income streams that got me here, how much each one pays, and the realistic timeline to build each one. No hype, no shortcuts, just what actually works. Let's break it down. Before we get into the numbers, I need to be honest with you about something. This didn't happen overnight. It took me 90 days to get to $1,000 a month. Month 1, I made $347. Month 2, $690. Month 3, $1,247. It's a steady climb, not a rocket ship. And that's actually good news because it means it's sustainable. It means you can replicate this. So if you're looking for get rich quick, this isn't it. But if you want a real roadmap to build consistent income with AI, you're in the right place. Let's start with income stream number 1. Income stream 1, AI chatbots for small businesses. This brings in $450 per month. Here's how it works. Small businesses need someone to answer customer questions 24/7. What are your hours? How much does this cost? Can I book an appointment? Most business owners can't respond instantly, especially at night or on weekends. So I build simple AI chatbots that answer these questions automatically. I charge $150 per month per client. I currently have 3 clients. 3 times 150 equals $450 per month. Now, how long does this take? It took me about 24 hours to learn how to build my first chatbot using a tool called ManyChat. No coding required. After that, each new chatbot takes me about 3 to 4 hours to set up. Once it's live, I spend maybe 30 minutes a month maintaining it. So we're talking about 4 hours of work up front for $150 every single month. That's recurring income. The client keeps paying as long as the chatbot keeps working. And most of my clients have been with me for 2 to 3 months now with no signs of stopping. The best part? This is scalable. If I add 2 more clients, that's another $300 a month. The hardest part is finding the first client, but once you have one, the second and third get easier because you have proof it works. Income stream 2, YouTube automation with faceless videos. This brings in $287 per month from ad revenue. Here's the concept. You create YouTube videos without ever showing your face or using your own voice. AI writes the script using ChatGPT. AI generates the voiceover using tools like 11 Labs or Descript. You edit everything together using free software like CapCut. Upload it. And YouTube pays you based on views and watch time. I started this 2 months ago. I've uploaded 12 videos so far. My channel isn't huge. I'm getting about 15 to 20,000 views per month total. But that translates to roughly $287 in ad revenue. Now here's the key. This income grows over time. Old videos keep getting views. So the more videos you upload, the more passive this becomes. My first video from 2 months ago is still earning me about $20 to $30 a month. My second video, another $15 to $20. They stack. The downside? This takes the longest to see results. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can monetize. It took me about 6 weeks to hit that. But once you're monetized, the income keeps coming. And unlike the chatbot clients where you need to keep finding new businesses, YouTube just keeps paying you for videos you made weeks or months ago. Income stream 3. AI-generated stock images and art licensing. This brings in $241 per month. This one surprised me because I'm not a designer. I don't have any art background. But AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E let you create professional quality images just by typing a description. Here's what I do. I use Midjourney to generate images that people need for websites, presentations, and social media. Abstract backgrounds, office scenes, nature landscapes, technology concepts. Then I upload them to stock image websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Creative Fabrica. Every time someone downloads one of my images, I get paid. It's usually between 50 cents and $3 per download, depending on the platform and the license type. I currently have about 150 images uploaded. Last month, they were downloaded 93 times. That added up to $241. Now, the income per image is small, but it compounds. The more images you upload, the more downloads you get. And once an image is uploaded, it can sell forever. I uploaded an abstract blue gradient image 2 months ago. It's been downloaded 18 times. That's about $35 total from one image I spent 10 minutes creating. The time investment here is front-loaded. It took me about 12 hours to create and upload my first 50 images. But now those 50 are earning passively while I create more. Okay, pause for a second. We've covered 3 income streams: Chatbots, YouTube, and stock images. That's already $978 per month combined. But here's the thing. I didn't start all 3 at once. Month 1, I only focused on Chatbots. Got my first client. Learned the process. Month 2, I added YouTube. Started uploading videos. Month 3, I added stock images. This is important because if you try to do everything at once, you'll get overwhelmed and quit. Master one income stream. Get it generating money. Then add the next one. All right, let's keep going. Income stream 4. Income stream 4. Etsy digital products. This brings in $143 per month. Digital products are things like printable planners, budget templates, wall art, calendars, checklists. Anything someone can download and print or use digitally. You create them once using Canva or ChatGPT. Upload them to Etsy, and they sell on autopilot. I currently have 15 products listed. Meal planners, weekly schedules, habit trackers, minimalist posters. Each one is priced between $5 and $12. Last month, I made 26 sales. That's $143. The beautiful thing about Etsy is that it brings the customers to you. You don't need to advertise. You don't need a website. You just list your product with good photos and a clear description, and Etsy's search engine does the rest. Now, not every product sells. Out of my 15 products, 3 of them account for about 70% of my sales. A minimalist weekly planner, a grocery list template, and a habit tracker. The rest barely sell. But that's fine because once they're uploaded, they just sit there. No storage, no shipping, no inventory. The time commitment here was about 6 hours total to create my first 10 products using Canva AI and ChatGPT for ideas. After that, I spend maybe 2 hours a month creating 1 or 2 new products. And Etsy handles everything else. Income stream 5. Freelance writing with ChatGPT. This brings in $126 per month. This is the most hands-on of the 5, but it's also the fastest to start earning. Here's how it works. Businesses need blog posts, website copy, emails, and product descriptions. I use ChatGPT to write the first draft in about 10 minutes. Then I spend another 15 to 20 minutes editing it, adding personality, and making sure it sounds human. Total time per project, 30 to 40 minutes. I charge $50 to $75 per piece, depending on length. Last month, I completed 2 blog posts at $75 each. That's $150. But I also had 1 client delay a project, so my actual income was $126. The platforms I use are Upwork and Fiverr. You create a profile, apply to jobs, and clients hire you. The downside? You have to keep finding new clients. It's not passive like YouTube or Etsy, but the upside? You can start making money this week. I landed my first client 4 days after signing up for Upwork. The key is pricing yourself low at first to get reviews and testimonials. Then you raise your rates. So let's add all up. Chatbots, $450. YouTube, $287. Stock images, $241. Etsy, $143. Freelance writing, $126. Total, $1,247 last month. But here's what I want you to understand. This isn't magic. This is just consistency and systems. I didn't get lucky. I didn't go viral. I just picked one thing, learned it, and added the next one. And you could do the exact same thing. Here's the roadmap I'd recommend if you're starting from zero. Month 1, focus only on chatbots or freelance writing. Why? because these pay the fastest. You can land your first chatbot client or freelance gig within 1 to 2 weeks and start earning immediately. Your goal for month 1 is to make your first $200 to $400. That's proof this works. Month 2, add YouTube automation or Etsy digital products. Why? Because these take longer to build, but they're more passive. Start uploading videos or creating products while you're still servicing your chatbot clients or freelance projects. Your goal for month 2 is to hit $600 to $800 total. Month 3, add stock images or whichever income stream you skipped in month 2. Now you have 3 to 4 income streams running. Your goal for month 3 is to cross $1,000. And here's the thing. Once you hit 1,000, scaling to 1,500 or 2,000 is just about doing more of what's already working. More chatbot clients, more YouTube videos, more Etsy products. It compounds. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. And you're right. It is work, especially in the first 60 days. But here's the difference between this and a regular job. With a job, you trade time for money. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. With these income streams, you do the work once and you get paid repeatedly. I built a chatbot 2 months ago. It's still paying me $150 a month. I uploaded a YouTube video 6 weeks ago. It's still earning ad revenue. I created an Etsy planner 8 weeks ago. It's still selling. That's the power of AI-assisted income. You're building assets, not just completing tasks. And over time, those assets stack up and create real financial freedom. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one income stream from this video. Just one. Chatbots, YouTube, stock images, Etsy, or freelance writing. Spend the next 7 days learning everything you can about that one thing. Watch tutorials, read guides, build your first demo or sample. Then, spend the next 7 days finding your first client or making your first sale. Don't overthink it. Don't try to be perfect. Just start. Because 3 months from now, you could be exactly where I am, making over $1,000 a month, or you could still be watching videos and thinking about it. The difference is just taking action today. So drop a comment right now and tell me which income stream you're starting with. Chatbots, YouTube, stock images, Etsy, or writing. I want to know. And if this roadmap gave you a clear plan, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Money AI, because next week I'm showing you how to scale from $1,000 to $2,000 per month by automating and outsourcing. You don't want to miss that. Let's build real wealth with AI. See you in the next one.